Hi everyone, Lisa here from LC Designs. On behalf of myself, Heather Guerrero, and Patty Davison, I'm going to go over our August Sweet Surprise class kit. This month we've chosen the Spooky Halloween Suite. I know some of you are not into Halloween, others love Halloween. It seems like it's a mixed bag. Some either love it, some just dislike it. But we have some cute little projects for you that you can use with your suite of products. So what is a Sweet Surprise class kit? What it is that the suite has usually designer series paper and embellishment, ribbons, the stamp set, the dies or bundle, whatever it could be. If it doesn't have the dies, it'll have a punch. So what we do is we give you a sampling of it. That way you don't have to go out and buy all of the full packages of everything. So let me go over this month's kit. And then we add 3 exclusive projects for you that we each create a project. So let me show you. So again, it takes the Spooky Halloween bundle, which is the stamp set and the dies. So you will need this bundle to complete your projects. It's not included in the kit, but you can add it on. And when you add it on, I'll show you what you get extra. Okay, so here's how I package my kits. The other ladies may do theirs differently. Patty and Heather might do theirs differently, but here is mine. So you're going to get a half for this month. You're going to get let me get all this out of the way. There's a lot of goodies in here. You're going to get a half a pack of the designer series paper, which is a Spooky Sweet designer series paper. And it has all of these fun die cuts, which you use on your projects. And look at, there's some tags that you're going to use on your 3 exclusive projects that we make. So you'll get the half a pack of that. You're going to get 2 sheets of each of the coordinating cardstock. So in the designer series paper, these colors are in it. So basic black, daffodil delight, pumpkin pie, petunia pop. We always include basic white and granny apple green. You could see the colors already in there. So you're going to get these sheets of cardstock to go with it. So again, that way you don't have to go buy a full pack. So you're going to get 12 sheets of cardstock. You're going to get 10 iridescent treat bags. These are so pretty. You're going to get a half a pack of these shimmering foam stars, I think they're called. So when I mentioned earlier, if you buy the bundle or include it into your class kit, we pay the tax and shipping on it, and we'll include it in your class kit. You're going to get a full package of these shimmer dots. Otherwise, your class kit is going to include a half a pack, and you're going to get a full bolt of petunia pop ribbon. And you're going to get your 3 exclusive projects. Again, this is how I pack mine up. So the 3 projects are each in there. And let me show you what our cute projects are. This is the one created by Heather. Cute. This is the one created by Patty. Cute. And here's the one created by myself. And I know you guys are probably like, I don't really send Halloween cards, but you know what I use my cards for? I send them to my nieces and nephews, and then I give them a gift card. That way they're not getting a lot of candy. So they are so thrilled that they get a card from grandma or auntie. Just a different way to use Halloween cards or send them. What kid does not love to receive a card? So our class kits to go are $45, and it includes everything. And then mine is $38 for porch pickup in Rio Rancho, New Mexico. So again, this is myself, Heather Guerrero, and Patty Davison. So if either of them are advertising, you use their registration link. If you're seeing it on my advertisements, then you use my registration links. And if you have any questions, you could let any of us know. The deadline to register for this class, the Sweet Surprise Kit, is August 24th. Okay, if you have any questions, please let me know, or Heather and Patty. You take care, everybody.